instant brown sugar boba. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now it just started to rain, so that's why you might be hearing a lot of rain. So today I'm going to be trying out this boba pack that I got. It's some instant brown sugar boba and it comes with 12 packs. So in the instructions it says that you put the boba pack into a cup and then you microwave it. Put a cup of milk and some ice into it and then you have some boba. So I'm going to be trying that out today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So there is 12 of these in total. Here they are, and there's also some of boba straws. So let's start making it. Okay, so I have a cup and some scissors. So first we have to cut open this packet and pour all the boba inside. Open this boba pack. It's pretty tough to cut. Oh, it's kind of easier now. Then we're going to have to pour all of this boba. I have to make sure to not spill any because it's really sticky. My fingers are getting really cold right now. Get all of the boba inside of the cup. There we go. I'll squeeze out the sauce. Okay, so I've gotten everything from the boba packet into the cup. So now we're gonna go microwave it for 1 minute. Okay, we've put the boba into the microwave, so I'm gonna read for a minute while we wait. Okay, it's done, so let's go get the packet. Okay, so I've got the boba back. Right now it's steaming, so we're supposed to put in some ice next. So we have this ice. I put it in a Lego mold, so it's gonna be in the shape of Lego pieces. Let's get it out and put it into the cup. All of them are a little bit bent because the water wasn't put all the way to the top. Okay, we're done. Okay, let's pour in some milk. Let's open this up. Okay, and we're gonna pour in a little bit of milk. Okay, so we have our boba now. So now we're gonna get a boba straw and we're gonna mix it all together. Try to open this. I think I'm gonna need some scissors. So let's cut open a hole right here. Now we have a boba straw, so we're gonna stir it all together. Okay, I think this is good. So now we have our boba all mixed and I think I'm gonna try it now. Okay, let's take a sip now. It's good. I like the tea. The tapioca pearls are also really good. Tastes just like normal boba that isn't instant and that wasn't put into the microwave, so it's really good. And it's really easy to make and only takes about 2 minutes. So that's the end of today's video. I had a lot of fun making this instant boba. It was really easy to make and I really recommend it if you like boba because this way you can make it really fast and drink it really fast from anywhere and it's really accessible. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe you guys will try this out. Bye!